class, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be your teacher in General Mathematics, and for today's discussion, we have the lesson 8, which is about solving problems involving rational functions, equations, and inequalities. So from our previous lessons, we've already tried to solve rational equations and rational inequalities. This time, we're going to solve problems involving these three: rational functions, equations, and inequalities. So first, let's have the steps in solving problems in rational equations. So first up, remove the denominators by multiplying each of the equation by the LCD, or the least common denominator. Again, first, we need to know the rational equation from our given problem. So after that, we need to try to remove the denominators by getting the LCD and then multiply those to the rational equation, both right side and left side. Second step, we need to simplify and solve for the values of your x. So after you tried to multiply, after you multiplied your LCD, so you can get already to in the simplified form. So you can simplify that rational equation already. And of course, the value that you've solved, check if your solutions, whether it satisfy the given equation. Again, for you to know if that value is already correct or it satisfies your equation, you need to check it by substituting that value to your rational equation.
So now, let us have example in solving problems involving rational equation. So let's have this problem. Mr. Nonato can paint the house in 15 days, and his father can do the same job in 10 days. If they work together, how long will it take them to finish the same job? So let's have the given first. So the given, so for Mr. Nonato, the one job, he can finish one job in 15 days. For his father, he can finish job in 10 days. So let x be equals to the number of days working together to finish the job, which is painting the house. So let's have the equation. So our equation here, we have 1 over 15, or the work of Mr. Nonato. So they are working together. So let's add 1 plus 1 over 10, the work of his father, equals to the same job over the number of days, or x, that they are working together in order to finish the same job, or that one job. So let's have the solution in solving our rational equation. So first, let us have the LCD. In order for you to eliminate the denominator, let's get the LCD to multiply it in our rational equation. So LCD, we have equals to 30xy. If we divide 30x to 15, 30 divided by 15, that is 2, then times x. And if we divide 30x to 10, that is 10. 30 divide 10, that is 3x. Then if we divide 30x times divided by x, that is equals to 30. So let's multiply our rational equation, both sides of the rational equation, to our LCD. So we have 30x in your right side and left side. So 30x times 1 over 15. So 30x over 15, that is 2 x, because 30 divided 15, that is 2. Then we have x. So, we have plus 30x times 1 over 10. We have 30 divided 10, that is 3. Then we have x, dx. Equals to 30x times 1 over x, meaning we're dividing 30x to our x. So, we have x cancelled because x over x is 1. So, we have left, what is left is 30. Now, the second part of our solving is, let us simplify this one. So, 2x plus 3x equals to 30. So, 2x plus 3x, that is 5x equals to 30. To normalize or to remove the value 5 here, let us both divide your equation, both sides of the equations to 5. So, 5x divided by 5, that is x. 30 divided by 5, that is 6. So, this is the value of your x, meaning 6, or in order for them to finish the job is 6 days. But, for the third step, let us check if this solution is correct. So, we have to substitute this to the value of your x. So, we have 1 over 15 plus 1 over 10 equals to 1 over x, or 1 over 6. So, we are trying to prove this. So, 1 over 15 plus 1 over 10. Let's first get the LCD. So, the LCD here is 30. 30 divided by 15, we have equals to 2. So, multiply that to the numerator, we have 1. It's numerator. Then, plus 30 divided by 10, we have 3 equals to 3. Then, times the numerator of 10, which is 1. So, let's write again. Equals to 1 over 6, because we are trying to prove that part of equation. So, we have 2 times 1, that is 2, plus 3 times 1, that is 3. Over 30, equals 1 over 6. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Over 30, then we have equals to 1 over 6. So, 5 over 30, getting its lowest term. How? So, we have to divide the numerator, both numerator and denominator, to 5. So, because they are both divisible by 5. So, we have 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Over 30 divided by 5, that is 6. So, as we can see, 1 over 6 is equals to 1 over 6. So, the value satisfies the equation. So, because 1 over 6 is equals to 1 over 6, of course, that is correct. So, meaning, this value corresponds to the number of days that will take for them to finish the job together. So, the answer is 6 days.